you have confusion in put or keep? What is different between keep this glass on the table, put this glass on the table? Keep means rakhna, put means rakhna, but there is different between put and keep. In this video, we are going to discuss put and keep. When do we use keep? When do we use put? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. By that you will get all notification of upcoming video. If you like this video, please watch full video, okay? If you watch full video, then you will understand. If you skip, you do not watch, you will not understand full video. So first we are going to talk about keep. Keep we can use for if you keep anything with yourself. Suppose I keep my phone with myself. I keep my baby with me. Okay. So you keep anything with yourself, then you can use keep. And one more, you can use keep for if anything you keep on particular place. Suppose clothes. Where do we keep? We keep into the cupboard. So keep these clothes into the cupboard. Did you get it? Suppose they are vegetables. Keep these vegetables into the fridge. After using, those are left, we keep into the fridge. So we use keep. We do not use put. Okay. And now we can use keep when we are keeping anything for particular place. Suppose for one more example, we can say keep your shoes in there on that place. There you keep your shoes, you have to keep there. So you use keep. You are keeping those shoes on that place, there you keep. Okay, if you are keeping your shoes into the room, that is not particular place, you can use put. Now we are going to talk about put. When do we use put? Put is, that is not particular place. For temporary you are keeping anything, we use put. For one example, put this glass on the table. That is not particular place, but we are keeping for a temporary. So we can use put. And one more example, put this glass on the bed. This is not particular place, but you are keeping for a while, for a short time. That is short time. You are keeping anything for short time, you use put. If you are keeping anything for long time, then use keep. For suppose, keep your books into the bag. Keep, because we use, after using our books, we keep into the bag. That is their particular place. Do you have any confusion? If you have any confusion, please comment me and give me some more example by using keep and put. By that you can make some sentence. Put, now do you have any confusion? Put we use for temporary, okay, and we can use non-physically also, like suppose keep this secret to yourself, do not share with anyone, keep it in your mind, do not forget it, okay. So you can use it. Put, we cannot use put in your mind, okay, do not use it. Keep, there in non-physically also we can use keep, but put we use physically, like put temporary and physically and temporary. There are many uses, but I am telling you one use only, keep, rakhna. What is meaning of rakhna? So I am going to share you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe with your friends. All. Bye bye.